Hello, this is Jeff Saviano with Aurora LED Systems. We're here at InfoComm 2026. This is our booth in Central Hall, C6503. And this year we're showing a new version of one of our COB panels, that's chip on board or flip chip. This is a 16:9 ratio panel. We call it the AMBC series. This is in the 1.25 millimeter pixel pitch, so it's great for installations, including very fine and kind of close-up viewing. As many people know, the flip chip is a very stable and efficient technology. The stock version that we keep in Las Vegas here, ready to go, ready to ship out, is this 1.25 millimeters at 1,000 nits, so quite bright. But we also do custom orders at different pixel pitches. You can get 1.5, you can get 0.93 millimeter, and if you don't need 1,000 nits brightness, you can even save some money and get a 600 nits brightness. But anyway, so standard is controlled by the Magnum image receiving card system, but we can also work with Novastar or Color Light if needed. So thank you for coming to Aurora LED Systems. Visit our website, auroraledsystems.com.